This isn't a body bag, this is the actual car cover itself. Now I'm going to first start by placing this on the back trunk of the vehicle. There we go. Now the goal of placing any car cover on the vehicle is to not move the car cover. So what you want to do is place it on the vehicle and try not to move it around as much. The more you move it, the more chance you could scratch and harm the vehicle. Now this car cover is a very, very high quality car cover, and the whole inside is felt lined and it's extremely soft. So it's not going to harm and it's not going to hurt the vehicle. But I like to not have any chances of scratching the vehicle, so I like to make sure I place it and not move it as I go. Now I like to take the car cover and first set it on the trunk and drape it down. There we go. Now this is going to be the back of the car cover, and I have the car cover right here, which I'm going to roll over the top. There we go. Now easily just move it on the top of the vehicle and roll it out, and now it's centered on the vehicle. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to first take off one side of the car cover, and I'm going to move it onto the vehicle. Now what I'm doing is I'm being careful to evenly open it on the car. That way it doesn't fall on the ground. I like to keep it on the vehicle and move the weight around. There we go. So now that the car cover is almost open, I can just move it around a little bit to make sure that it's in the right position. Now first I like to place it on one side, so I took the back on the passenger side, placed it on, and then I'm going to pull the other side around and place it on the back. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the front of the car cover, and I'm going to grab the very, very front of the car cover itself, and I'm going to pull it over the vehicle. Now you notice I didn't drag it over the car itself, and I'm not moving it a lot on the vehicle. I'm just barely putting it on. Now I'm going to move it, pull it over here, and snug it on the mirror. And then on this side, I'm actually going to pull it through the antenna. Now this is a really high quality car cover, and it's custom fit, so it actually has a spot for the antenna. I'm going to pull the rest of the car cover onto the vehicle. There we go. I'm going to walk around and make sure it's all set up. And I'm going to pull in the mirror right here, and that's the last step on there. Now I'm just going to simply walk around the vehicle and check that the car cover is covering the whole entire vehicle. And then remember, this is a custom fit car cover. So this was custom made for this vehicle. Now you can get two types of car covers. You can get a custom fit or a universal car cover to fit your vehicle. And you can also get an indoor cover and an outdoor cover. Now this is going to be designed to be an indoor cover, and it's a durable enough cover where you can still use it outside, but it's not designed to have rain hit the car cover itself. Now you can go over to California Car Covers website, and they have outdoor car covers which are designed to repel water and moisture. This is great because I like to park my Mustang in a garage, and if I don't drive it for a little while, I can cover it and keep it looking good right before the car show. Now that I have the custom fit mirror pocket put in, I'm going to walk around the vehicle and make sure that everything is where it needs to be. The antenna is through, everything is set up, and it really does look amazing. There we go. Now if you can see on this car cover, it is truly custom fit and it fits it very nice, and it's really going to make sure that the car is protected, and it protects against UV solar rays and dust and dirt. And if you have it in the garage,